Hello folks, and welcome once again to Blackjack Motor Cars LLC. Have a car today I want to show you. Pretty special car. This car belonged to my cousin who recently passed, and this was his baby. It's a 2015 Mini Cooper, John Cooper Works Edition. It's been tuned. He's done about everything you could do to this little car. I will tell you, it's one of the fastest little minis I've ever driven. He's just about, all kinds of different things he's put on it. The driving lights, this intake here is special. Special mini headlights, 18-inch ZR tires on custom rims. Car's been lowered, it's been tuned. Like I said, it runs fantastic. It only has 51,000 miles on it. Like I said, this was his baby. Has twin turbo 2.0 engine, custom exhaust. You can see on the back, Cooper S, and it's got the John Works Cooper, and as well as this RH tuning that was done to it. It's just an absolutely beautiful car. Has a couple rock trips on the front hood, but inside, absolutely pristine. It has about every option you could put on a Cooper, I think. Power everything, navigation, Bluetooth, custom gauges on each side of the speedometer. It's a 6-speed automatic that can be manually shifted. You got your console there that controls everything in the media center up here. Seats adjust 100 different ways. Absolutely the most comfortable seats you'll ever sit in a car. And plenty of room in this car. I'm a big guy. I have no problems being very, very comfortable in this car. Like I said, this was his baby. I don't know that any car has been babied any more than this. The other thing I have new in a box, if you don't like this chrome trim around the front here, he has brand new in the box a black version that can go in there, which matches the rest of the black on the car. Again, only 51,000 miles, all tuned, ready to go. I've got a ton of paperwork on this car of all the service he's done to it. So if you're in the market for a Mini, you're in the market for a fast Mini, give me a call. My number is 813-340-0918. I'd love to see this car to go to a special person, Mini lover, that really likes it, that really appreciate this car. Again, we're Blackjack Motor Cars, 813-340-0918. Give us a call, and thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.